Leading local in tonight's top story, a Minot woman accused of crashing into a motorcyclist will no longer face an attempted murder charge in the case. Dazechnae Willis is instead facing 2 other felony charges related to the 2019 crash that left a man with a traumatic brain injury. Reporter Taylor Austin has more.
A man who was left with a traumatic brain injury from a motorcycle crash shared his statement today in court. However, he got too choked up and was unable to read his full statement.
From North Dakota on a bike trip. Feel I can't do it.
On August 28, 2019, 28-year-old Minot woman Dazechnae Willis was driving southbound on Highway 83 with her SUV truck. Willis was reportedly driving around 107 miles per hour with her 2 kids in the back seat when she allegedly rear-ended motorcyclist Kelsey Schaefer. The impact sent Schaefer under the wheels of a semi-truck. Willis was originally facing attempted murder, aggravated assault, and reckless endangerment charges, but today the attempted murder charge was dismissed. Due to information found in Willis's mental health evaluation, the state felt it could not prove intent on the attempted murder charge.
She did not understand consequences of her actions. The psychological evaluation that was conducted about 6 to 8 months ago supported that unequivocally, that at the time she had bipolar disorder with psychosis at the time of the alleged offense. Her symptoms of mental illness developed and manifested in a way that interfered with her ability to understand the harmful nature of her conduct and resulted in the loss of serious distortion of her capacity to recognize reality.
As of right now, Willis is residing in Colorado, where she will undergo treatment for her mental health. The mental health expert will give Willis an examination, and this must be done within 90 days of today's date. From there, the court will move into a disposition hearing. Willis pleaded not guilty due to lack of criminal responsibility to aggravated assault and reckless endangerment.
The court does find that it has jurisdiction in this case, accepts the not guilty pleas that were entered by lack of criminal responsibility to both counts 2 and counts 3, that both counts are Class C felonies.
The maximum possible penalty for Willis is 5 years minus the 15 days she already served. Schaefer could not get through his statement, so he then had his significant other speak for him. In the victim impact statement, Schaefer said that he can no longer hear, taste, or smell. He said that he is happy that she is finally being charged, but it does not change who he is or pay for what she did. For KX News, I'm Taylor Austin.
The next hearing in Willis's case has yet to be scheduled.